Hello friends, in this video let us see how to use the AutoSum feature in Excel along with a pro tip. This is the sample data that I consider now. Generally, if you want to add the totals in the last column or last row, we enter the sum formula. If you know the smart trick, you would be going to the blank cell in the last row or last column and pressing the AutoSum button in the editing group in the Home tab and click enter. You can do the same thing by pressing the keyboard shortcut Alt plus equal to together and then clicking enter. This is nice, right? You get the totals like this. Now let us see the actual pro tip. First, say there is some filter data like this. Then if you want to have only the sum of visible cells, that is the subtotal in the last column or last row, simply go to the cell in the last row and again follow the same process. This time you will see that when you click AutoSum button, it is generating the subtotal function instead of sum. Now this will sum the visible cells only. Press enter. It is really awesome, right? Similarly, when you click the down arrow beside the AutoSum button, you will understand that we can perform other calculations like average, count, max, min and more functions as well by selecting like this. So in this way, you can use the pro tip of AutoSum feature in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.